Hey, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to be looking at template literals or template strings, and essentially they're string literals that allow us to embed expressions into the string. So typically, whenever we're creating a string, we might see that we've got a message and we're using either the single quotes or the double quotes in order to wrap the string, but we also have an option of using the backticks, and the backticks provide us that flexibility where we can create multiple lines, so we can do multiple line strings, expressions, and as well we can include additional values within that string. So let's say we've got a string value of Laurence for first, and for last we've got a string value of Svekis, and we wanted to incorporate that within our message within the template literals. So notice that with strings, I wouldn't be able to go multiple lines. It's going to throw an error. But with the template literals, I am able to structure it with multiple lines. So if I want to do something like first, and then to break back into the expression value, I can use the $ in the curly brackets. And if I need a variable, I can do the variable. And let's do last, and again the curly brackets, and then the name of the variable. And I could also do a value that I maybe want to count a value. So let's have a value of 10 plus 10 plus, I'll create a variable x. So let x equals 1. So it can evaluate that expression and output it. So let's output the message into the console, and we're also going to write the message into the document. So using the document write method, we're going to write the contents of message into the web page. So let's see what this looks like. Do a quick refresh, and we see the output on the page itself. So because we didn't have any HTML, so this is just regular plain text content, we don't get the new lines, but we do get the calculation being output. Whereas within the console, we do see the line structure where we've got the multiple lines that are being output from the template literal. So these are really useful in when you are writing your code in order to make it more readable, and also you don't have to worry about the quotes and the double quotes and the single quotes that you typically would within a string. So if you're outputting a more complex string value, template literals are a great way to accomplish that.